Guys, I've been dying to go on a Target run. So you guys are coming with me. Let's get going. Alright guys, so we have safely and successfully made it over to Target. I did take a couple wrong turns. Ignore that. Let me tell you, my back to school shopping list has been racking up for this haul. So we need to go in and do some damage. Also, it is my first week of school. So along with all the essentials, I want to treat myself a little bit because we are on day 2 of school. Also, if you're new here, hi, what's up? My name's Melanie and I'm so happy to have you here. Other than that, let's go in and do a little shopping. Look how pretty. Let's go in. I say this every time I come here, but this Target is literally so pretty. I feel like I could take prom photos here. Like, it's literally lined with roses. They have music playing in their lined garden. What the? Okay guys, so I just walked in and I'm already at a little dilemma. Do I just browse first or do I get the necessities? Should probably look at my list. Okay guys, so I pulled over in a little empty section because I'm feeling a bit hectic right now. Filming in public is still not my forte, but I need to get used to it. But I just need to show you my mega long list that has been piling up here. Let's start crossing stuff out. You guys, awful lid. You guys know I love crossing stuff off of a lid. Okay, we're gonna start with the essentials, the house essentials. Pit stop, not a house essential, but still an essential. Guys, this video is so hard to film. I swear I'm in the world's busiest Target right now. Ooh, fun stuff. We made it to the adulting section. My mom uses these and I swear they make your laundry smell so good. This section low-key hurts my eye, not gonna lie, too much. Guys, I swear, I feel like such an adult right now, but time to cross a couple things off my list. We've been putting in the work because I want to get to the fun stuff. There's some things I swear I literally can't find and I have to like look it up. I'm like, what would I have done before there was a Target app? I need like a map to this store, it's so big. Guys, they made this stuff way too hard. Fine, I was literally walking around looking for it for like 20 minutes. Also, this is like the best face wash. They were totally out of stock when I did my Target skincare shopping video, but I'm so glad they have it back in stock because I've been missing it. It just like gets rid of all the subtle acne because it has benzoyl peroxide in it. So I'm restocking on this. Success. I can't believe I was just filming here recently, but I think I'm gonna go to the kitchenware section because I'm looking for a lunchbox and a thermos because I'm gonna be a packing lunch girly this semester. Also need some dry shampoo and this looks cute. Actually sold on the packaging. Alright, so I'm in need of a thermos, but this caught my eye. Is this not so adorable? I think it's just the lemon strap that got me. I'm gonna put it in here for now. See if I find something better. Please tell me I'm not the only one who does that, but I like put stuff in my cart and tell myself it's like on hold, but then I low-key always end up buying it. So I just know that's the biggest lie ever. Anyways, guys, I love this brand and this brand for when it comes to water bottles. I actually have this one. They seriously make like the cutest little tumblers. Like, look at this. It's like iridescent or like hello floral. Even like this mini one, it's so cute for coffee. I did not know Stanley made this. Now I'm getting distracted. But they keep your drinks so cold. It's actually amazing. Wish they sold thermoses because I would snatch it up right now. Guys, these are literally for kids, but tell me this is not adorable. Like, I could put my coffee in this. Okay guys, I got sidetracked again. I don't know why I always get sidetracked by the kids stuff. I have this. Alex got it for me and he's weighted and it's like the best thing ever. But also look at this. They have a giant blanket version and a pink version. This is so cute. Target, tell me why your kids decor stuff is so cute. Do you see these? Like, yes, I would buy this for my kid. Like, I literally want this to be my nightstand table. Oh, love this lamp. Would definitely buy this too. It's so cute. The thing is, I know Target doesn't even have the best book selection. I feel like I always pick up a book when I'm here. I'm always so attracted to their book aisle. I think it's their discount stickers, but like, look at this. So beautiful. Guys, this is kind of random, but my ears always get infected, like, because I have so many piercings. And so when I was at home, I used to sleep on an airplane pillow so that my ear would be through the hole, and my ears have been acting up, and I feel like I might need to buy this. I've made my way to the college section that is like all sold out. Guys, look at this. It is so cute. Being here in like this section is so reminiscent because I just remember when my mom would take me back to school shopping in like 5th grade, and it would be like the highlight of my entire summer. Like, I looked forward to it so much. Kind of cute, but I wanted this certain strawberry one that I've seen before, and they don't have it. Every time I see an Owala water bottle, I'm so tempted to get it, but I literally have so many water bottles. Don't need this, but look at the colors. So cute. Or even this, I heard these were good. Oh, I don't need it. I don't need it. Every time I come to Target, I have to make a stop in the little kids section because I swear whoever's designing for them does such a good job. Like, look at this little smocked top. It's not adorable. Probably $14. Like, it's like discounted clothes. I was also eyeing this little cargo skirt. Like, how cute is this? These mini tennis skirts have shorts built in. These are so cute. I might just have to snatch one of these. Oh my gosh, and they're on clearance. These ones has a little slit too, and it also has the shorts underneath. Maybe I'll do that one. Also, like, look at this. So cute. But guys, seriously, like, this print is to die for. And look at that. Okay, I'm now in the clearance section. Look at this. So cute. These remind me of little hiker shorts, and they're only $7.50. And guys, look, isn't the print on this just so adorable? It's only $5 right now. I wish this was a matching set. That would be adorable. They also have these mini athletic dresses that have this tiny slit, have shorts underneath, and they're on clearance for $11.20. I don't really wear that much color, but I'm kind of, oops. Hey guys, so I did all of my shopping for things I actually need, so it's time to treat myself. I've been eyeing a bunch of loungewear, and I've also been wanting like a little PJ set, but I feel like Target does so good on their loungewear, so let's check it out. I think I saw these on like TikTok. Also, not sure what's going on up there. It sounds like it's broken. These are so soft, and they're like a matching set. I like this blue color. Guys, I'm obsessed with these little matching sets. I think they're so cute and classy. They are also just so soft. I think I'm eyeing this one, but they don't have it in my size. I'm so sad. Do I just get, oh my gosh, I'm ripping everything off today. Do I just get a large? Do I? This is so cute. I can't believe it's only $8, and they have it in so many colors. Also, digging this corset vibe. I absolutely love these rib bralettes. They're so comfy. Stop, because why would I literally wear this out? It's so cute and lacy. These sets are also super cute. I love this brand at Target, and look at the ribbed wear. This stuff is such good material. It's so thick. Guys, stop, because these dresses are so pretty. I love this brown one. Look at the lace detail. I've been really into painting my nails recently, and I haven't tried out the Quick Dry by Essie. Alright guys, we are heading to the food section because the last couple things that I want to get are just foods and snacks. I'm searching for Olipop because my favorite drink recently has been mixing Olipop with heavy cream. Might sound like a little bit weird, but it's so good. Okay, so this is my favorite flavor, so I think I'm gonna buy the rest of them. I'm kind of curious. I think I might try a couple new flavors too. Hey guys, I'm back home now. I have all of my goodies with me. I actually have more. This is just some of it. It's like 9 p.m. The lighting is not great, but I will catch up with you tomorrow and give you a full haul of everything that I got for back to school. Hello friends, so it's the next day and I'm going to show you all the things that I picked up at Target. I'm going to try to go through this pretty quickly, especially since you guys have seen most of it while I was shopping, but there's a couple things that I think I missed. First off, I got coat hangers. This is embarrassing because I tried to not bring that many to school in order to keep myself from buying like too much clothes, but then we all know what happened. I end up shopping, I end up thrifting, and then I need more coat hangers. So guys, honestly, bought like this pack of like girls underwear. It's cheaper, but it's just seamless. I have no clue if this is gonna be good. I picked it up on the way out. I went like really fast, but honestly, I think shopping for underwear is really confusing, and I'm like awful at it. I was like in that section for way too long, and I don't like buying the single ones because it's too confusing for me. Anyways, I got this top on the way out too, which I definitely didn't need. This was kind of like my first day of school. Woo! Plus, I thought this was so cute. I also really liked the dress that was a little similar to this, and I wanted it so bad, but they didn't have my size. I still like this. I feel like I could see this at like Aritzia or somewhere, but it has these little lace details and the little buttons, but more specifically, I imagine wearing this with like these buttons kind of undone because it has kind of that like, I don't know, look. And then the back also has this little cutout, which I think is really cute. Put a bow anywhere on a top and I'll buy it. Bought some dry shampoo. I can't believe I forgot this because I own so much dry shampoo at home because I'm a not frequent hair washer. Honestly, I thought this packaging was really pretty. I raved to you guys about the penoxyl, so I got one of these. I also got this little pink lacy bralette. I just not been in the, like vibing with bras recently, okay? I love this brand. This one's kind of like a sports bra-y vibe. Like it doesn't look like a bra, so I feel like if it's showing, it's even kind of cute. These guys, these little scented beads. It makes your clothes smell so good, makes your sheets smell so good. Stocked up on some pad color catchers because I like mix all my colors together, and so this is like my safety insurance so that I don't ruin all my white clothes. And then I got this little lunch box. As you guys saw, I was having a lot of trouble finding a good lunch box. I think I'm gonna buy an actual like insulated one online somewhere. I also got this Essie nail polish. I think this color is really cute. It's like an olive green. I also got two little bins. I'm gonna use these to organize my cabinets that have like all my food in them. As you can see, I did very efficient packing at the store. Some tampons. And then I got these two things from like the little girl section. This little tennis skirt. Oh my gosh, I love that it has shorts built in. It was also on clearance. I just thought this is so cute, and I've been like loving little mini skirts. It was kind of random, but I got this sports bra from the girls section. Honestly, I just saw the back and it reminded me of Lulu. It's only $9. Quality feels really good. It's also not like padded, which honestly I kind of like. That was my entire little haul from Target. I also got toilet paper and Olipop, but those are put away. But thank you guys so much for coming with me and doing my back to school shopping. If you guys want to see more shop with me videos or Target videos, let me know, and make sure to check me out on my other platforms and say hi. But thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Bye guys. Checking my angle to see if this is a good angle. I have taken 2 billion different thumbnail clips, I swear. Oh my gosh, I can see.